Paano nga ba mag-subtract ng dissimilar fractions? Part 2. So, mixed number addition tayo. Mga mixed numbers yung given natin. Pero dahil magkaiba ang ating mga denominators, kailangan kunin muna natin yung LCD. So, sa tingin nyo, anong case to? Case number 2, di ba? Kasi yung 8 hindi niya kayang i-divide yung 12. So, ang gawin natin, i-multiply natin yung 12 by 2. 12 times 2, that's 24, right? Yung 24 ba, kaya nang i-divide ni 8? Kaya na. So, our LCD is 24. So, 24 minus natin. Now, get the new numerators. 24 divided by 8 is how many? 3, right? Times 5, you have 15. Now, 24 divided by 12, how many? 2 times 5, you have 10. Kasi sulat lang yung mga whole number natin dyan. Dahil pareho na yan, we can subtract. Now, 8 minus 2, you have 6. 15 minus 10 is how many? 5 over 24. Now, let's simplify if possible. Kaya pa bang masimplify ito? Hindi na. So, the answer is 6 and 5 over 24. Now, you try. 7 and 7 over 6 minus 5 and 1/4. Comment your answer in our comment section. And please don't forget to follow our page and share our videos para marami pang matuto sa math. At lagi tandaan, let's spread the love of math at mag-aral ng mabuti. Bye!